Hello and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News Channel. Today we're going to talk about VeChain, HOT, NPXS, and several coins right now that you might like. And I like VeChain a lot, but I wouldn't buy until like next week or at least the week afterwards because of one big event. And that event is Binance US closing to US customers, or Binance closing to US customers. Binance US may not launch until a few years, or not a few years, a month or two in the future. Late October, early November is the guess. Binance has been making a lot of strides, but we don't even know which coins will actually be on Binance.us. Yes, they have a list of 30 coins that they were considering, but just because they are considering them does not mean that they are actually going to list every one of them. And it's extremely highly speculative for any coin to guess that any coin outside the top 4 or 5 are actually going to be listed on there. So this includes VeChain, HOT, NPXS, or other coins that actually are mainly trade on Binance, and they actually might be going for a bit of a fall, definitely, before the 12th, because people think the 12th is Armageddon. I think after the 12th, when people realize that it's not the end of the world for some of these coins, they might actually have a slight rebound. But up until the 12th, and especially like in the next couple of days, I do actually believe that they might actually be in for a substantial fall. So I would hold off buying these coins for a week or two after, at least until after the 12th, to see how it actually all plays out. I know for VeChain, at least, a lot of the volume has already fallen off Binance. But here's the thing: there are a lot of US bag holders of VET on Binance, VET, HOT, NPXS, whatever on Binance, and they don't really have an out to actually sell the VET for anything else after the 12th. So they actually just might be dumping VET right now. It only takes a fairly small amount of people dumping to bring the price down, because usually trading, buying, and selling is equilibrium. A lot of that's like bots anyways. And if real people are dumping, it only takes a small amount to actually dump the price down, which is probably why you see the price actually going down today and might go down for the next few days. Most of these people do not know that you can just use Atomic Wallet to Atomic Swap VeChain for BTC, and that I think will still be available after the 12th. I'm pretty sure it will. But the issue with the US exchanges is that none of them actually accept a lot of these coins, and if their main trading has been on Binance and they're kind of like switching over to other systems, it's the Binance US investors that are actually dumping it before the 12th. And I think there's a substantial amount of those for like coins like VeChain, NPXS, maybe HOT. And that's why you're seeing their value depreciate. Well, HOT is a little different because they've been really late on the hollow ports, and a lot of people have doubts on them. But for things like VeChain, NPXS, that's why they're actually having a lot of trouble right now, in my opinion. It's because we're getting very, very close to the 12th. People are kind of getting desperate, and they want to have a asset that has some liquidity within USD, and they don't really know about Atomic Wallet and the Atomic Swaps, and therefore they're trying to get rid of coins like VET, NPXS. At least the US investors are, and US investors probably account for like 20–30% of all the investors. So if those guys are desperately dumping, the coin will probably move downward within the next 10 days or so, and you really might want to hold off buying at least until then. Now, in my opinion, you should probably hold off buying for like another 3–4 months with pretty much all altcoins, because I think Bitcoin is going to outsprint all the other altcoins. At least that's what the graphs tell me. And seeing that we've seen Bitcoin go up to 13–14,000, and we've seen that the altcoins haven't really even caught up at that point, I do think Bitcoin needs to go to like 19–20,000 before any altcoin catch-up actually gets there. So I would definitely hold Bitcoin until 20,000. But especially for these Binance coins, these coins that used to trade mostly on Binance, NPXS, VeChain, and probably several others, I would hold off on buying them until like maybe September 15th, September 16th at the earliest. So that's my report for today. Let me know what you think. Thank you and have a good day.